Dozens of people arrested outside Immigration Court in Manhattan tonight, hours after ICE agents detained several people in its field office. This comes a week after a Bronx high school student was arrested by ICE. Ali Bauman has more.
You will be placed under arrest on the charge of disorderly conduct.
Protests erupted into chaos Wednesday night outside the federal immigration court in Soho. Officers and crowds clashing over barricades. About 24 protesters taken into custody for charges that include obstruction of government administration.
People say, oh, let them come in legally. And when they try to come in legally and follow the court proceedings, they're being kidnapped.
The protests come hours after witnesses report several people were taken into custody inside the ICE field office in Lower Manhattan.
I've been working here for a couple of years, and I've never seen either this many agents, let alone agents dressed in plain clothes, wearing masks, pulling people out of line. It's totally out of the ordinary.
Under the Trump administration, advocates say it is becoming increasingly common for ICE to arrest and detain migrants at their immigration court hearings. It's what happened to a 20-year-old Bronx high school student last week.
It's a catch-22. You don't show up for your court hearing, then you also then could be ordered removed from the country.
The Venezuelan student, identified as Dylan, was arrested by ICE at the federal immigration court in Lower Manhattan, where he showed up for a hearing on his asylum request.
They mess with the wrong people when they're messing with New York City kids.
Naveed Hassan, a parent on the city's Board of Ed, says he's been fielding calls from worried immigrant parents.
The school was actively trying to help figure out how to get him back, and we're working with them, with the guidance counselor at the school. The mom is deeply involved in working together.
A spokesman for the city's public schools told me the city does not ask families to disclose, nor does it track students' immigration status, and that staff did not provide any information on this student to federal authorities.
Our schools remain safe, and we encourage families to continue to send their children to school.
City policy requires ICE to provide a signed judicial warrant before entering school property, which City Hall says has not ever happened under this administration.